Hey everyone, I'm Ed Helms and
I'm Jana Schmeeding.
And we're from the Peacock show Rutherford Falls. We're here on the Universal Studios Hollywood backlot.
We are going to surprise a group of unsuspecting writers on the world-famous studio tour. Come along.
We are entering our famous Courthouse Square, home to the NBC Peacock series Rutherford Falls. Ladies and gentlemen, hey!
Look at this!
Ed Helms and Jana Schmeeding.
Thank you.
Welcome to our set!
Yeah!
Hey, how's it going?
Permission to board?
Should they give the tour? Permission granted.
This is Courthouse Square. That's an actual courthouse. A lot of criminal proceedings happening there right now.
That's where I had to argue a few parking tickets.
This is a New York City street, right? That was moved brick by brick from New York City.
That's right.
Everything's fake here, especially the people. I want to tell you a little bit about this parking lot to your left. This is a very special spot. So many people every morning come here and they park their cars there. I just want to give a shout out to the actual parking lot. Whoa, what is this? This is so cool. I've literally never been on this tour before. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh, whoa.
No one warned us about that, Nikki.
Sorry.
I did not realize, A, that dinosaurs were still alive, and B, that you could train them so well.
Well, why don't you introduce everyone to Old Mexico? That's the next area.
Oh, yes, this is Old Mexico, not to be confused with New Mexico. This is fake rain. Thankfully, it's not the actual rain that we get in Los Angeles, which is acid rain. Here's the thing, everybody on this tram knows that when you turn a sprinkler on, it's kind of like rain. We do it in our yards, we run through it. Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
That's, wow. Oh my gosh, there's a fin coming out of the water right now.
Okay.
And
If you could just turn to your right, we have a star on the rise.
We got the whole pyrotechnics, folks! Okay. That's a beautiful puppet.
you know, people, a lot of times, like, people who play villains in movies, they're actually really kind of funny, cool, nice people. Not true of Jaws. Even by shark standards, a real diva.
Yeah. Thank you so much for letting us lead your tour today.
Yeah!
We hope you enjoyed that as much as we did.
Make sure to watch us on season 2 of Rutherford Falls, streaming right now on Peacock.